We all know that habits play a major role in our life. Good or bad, they are the factors that influence our actions. Our habits make us who we are. And since there are no shortcuts to success, if we want to be successful in life, then we have to follow a healthy habit. Here are 10 healthy habits you can follow. Number 1, wake up early. Waking up early gives you time. Time to do the things you enjoy. Time to get ready for the day ahead. Time to eat breakfast, and most importantly, time to start your day with positive thoughts. Try to wake up at the same time every day. It will help you set your biological clock and you'll sleep better at night. Early risers are more likely to exercise regularly, eat better, and get enough sleep. All of this is beneficial to living a healthy life. Number 2, drink enough water. Drinking a sufficient amount of water is essential for your body to function properly. When dehydrated, your body becomes a breeding ground for kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and constipation. Your body needs water to regulate its temperature, lubricate your joints, prevent infections, keep your organs healthy and energized. The amount of water you need depends on many factors such as climate, activity level, and overall health. But on average, men should drink about 3.7 liters of water per day, while women should drink about 2.7 liters of water per day. You can also use some apps that can remind you to drink water. Number 3, don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal because it kickstarts your metabolism and provides energy to the body after a long period of fasting while you were sleeping. Many studies have linked breakfast consumption to improved concentration and performance at school and work, weight management, reduced risk of heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. So try not to skip breakfast. Instead, try having a healthy breakfast, which includes boiled eggs, oatmeal, fruits, and vegetables. Number 4, spend time with loved ones. Spending time with loved ones reduces stress and boosts happiness levels. As social creatures, we need people to survive and thrive. Sharing your feelings with others can increase your self-esteem and emotional well-being. It helps you build a strong immune system and reduces the risk of depression and dementia. It has been proven that people with strong social connections live longer than those without. So spend quality time with your family and friends. Go out for dinner, watch a movie, or go on a vacation. Make beautiful memories. Number 5, learn something new. Learning something new challenges your mind and makes you mentally agile. It keeps your mind sharp and improves cognitive ability and memory. Studies show that learning new things releases endorphins that reduce stress and decrease the risk of dementia. It also increases your confidence level and gives you a sense of accomplishment. You can learn a new language, play an instrument, cook new dishes, take up gardening or knitting. There are endless possibilities. Number 6, listen to music. Listening to music offers numerous health benefits. It lowers stress and tension, reduces anxiety and depression, improves your mood, and increases the feelings of pleasure. Music has a healing effect. It even relieves pain. Listening to music increases the production of dopamine and serotonin, which are the feel-good hormones. It also improves sleep quality, boosts the immune system, and promotes better overall health. You can listen to instrumental music, nature sounds, binaural beats, white noise, or any genre of music that calms you down. Number 7, meditate. Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind on the present moment without judgment. It is a simple yet powerful practice that offers numerous health benefits. According to studies, meditation can help reduce stress, relieve anxiety, and improve mental health. It can also help improve focus and concentration, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. To meditate, you don't need much. Just sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If you find it difficult to sit still, you can try guided meditation through apps. Number 8, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful habit that can significantly impact your well-being and happiness. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you shift your attention away from negative thoughts and towards the positive aspects of your life. This simple habit can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, boost your immune system, and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. It is easy to practice gratitude. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 new things each day that you are grateful for. You can also express your gratitude to others by saying thank you and appreciating them for being in your life. Number 9, plan your day. Planning your day helps you organize your thoughts and manage your time effectively. It gives you a sense of control over your life and reduces stress and anxiety. When you plan your day, you are more likely to accomplish your goals and meet your deadlines. You are also less likely to procrastinate and make better decisions. Planning your day can be simple. Make a to-do list of the things you need to accomplish during the day. Prioritize your tasks and allocate specific time slots for each activity. You can also use a planner or calendar to schedule your day and set reminders. Number 10, read more books. Reading books is a great habit that can provide numerous benefits for both the mind and body. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve cognitive function, increase knowledge and understanding, and promote empathy and compassion. Reading fiction can take you to different worlds and make you feel less lonely. Reading self-help books can teach you new skills and provide guidance and support. Reading books can be a relaxing and enjoyable habit that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Set aside some time each day to read a few pages of a book. Choose books that are interesting and engaging and that can provide valuable insights or entertainment. Adopting healthy habits can greatly improve your overall well-being and quality of life. It can help you maintain a healthy body and mind, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and increase feelings of happiness and fulfillment. Start by making small changes to your daily routine and gradually build up from there. It's also important to be patient and persistent in developing healthy habits. It takes time to change your behavior and make it stick. So don't get discouraged if you slip up. Just get back on track and keep moving forward.